show you how to remove the bucket from the hitch. This one is actually with the half hitch here, as you can see. I have a little pin just in a 30mm pin. So the first thing to do is take out that. And then if we actually take, you can see the way that bucket is actually in there now, so you can actually see all the pressures on that hitch at the moment. So if we actually jump on the machine, we can just slightly bring out your bucket a small bit, that the pressure is off that back pin. Probably see the pressure coming off there now, and that pin then should slide out then easily enough. Give it a little turn like that, and out she comes. You can just put your bucket down on the ground and just open up your hitch like so, and that should drop off. And then obviously the same then for when you're putting on your bucket. We grab one over here. Just hook that in just like so. And then the very same as what we spoke about when we were taking off the bucket. Very same process. You can see that pressure coming off that back hitch. Once we have that pressure off that back hitch, we can then jump down off our machine and slide in our 30mm pin. And put our locking pin on the other side, like so. Now this particular machine actually comes with a 450 tooted bucket for your harder ground, a 300 gummy bucket, and then obviously your 900 bass bucket. Very handy little machine for trench work or any tight access areas. This machine is very, very good for that. As you can see, it's so easy to take off buckets. It only takes a couple of seconds each time to take off a bucket if you want to swap around from one to the other or whatever your job entails.